guys, as you can see, man, I'm here at the Dodge dealership picking up the Hellcat after the wreck. I had a check engine light come on. Brought the car here, got diagnosed. It's a bad Cadillac converter, so it has nothing to do with the wreck itself. It's just a bad part, you know, went out. So basically I'm gonna bring it back Monday. The part should be here then, I would think. So we'll see what's up, man. You know, sorry I didn't get myself bringing the car here. I just brought it here real early, and so I didn't get nothing on film, man. But which is kind of gnarly. My car has fucking 7 miles on it more, bro. Why would my car have 7 miles on it, yo? When it just needed to get diagnosed. Like, ridiculous, bro. We're gonna see, bro. We'll see what's up, man. Just thought I'd let you guys know what's up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like. This is your first by, man. Appreciate it. Yo, what up, guys, man? Back at it today with the Hellcat. Next day, as you guys all know, I've been doing my check engine light, man. Got back from the dealer. I'm just gonna wash the car up a little bit. As you can see, man, it's looking a little dirty. They left it outside, so gotta spray it down, get it all washed up. Definitely. Like I said, man, if it's your guys' first time stopping in, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, man. I'm just gonna wash it down a little bit. Basically, man, like I said, it's my Cadillac converter went out on the passenger side, so let's see, man. They're gonna get it fixed Monday. Parts come in. But let's get this started, man. Thanks again. Peace. What up, guys, man? That's it. I finished washing the Hellcat, as you can see. Check it out, way cleaner than last time. But thanks again, man, for watching the video. I just wanted to let you guys know, once I get the car taken care of with the check engine light and stuff, we'll definitely do the ride along and stuff. We'll announce that on my next video. I just wanted to follow up with you guys about the Hellcat and stuff, let you know what happened after the wreck. But thanks again, man, for watching. Please like, subscribe if you're just stopping by. I'm gonna get out some more video, man. Sorry for this video being so short, but thanks again, man. Take it easy.